Hi, everyone. My name is Diane Crecelius. I'm a physical therapy and I'm a partner in ABC Pediatric Therapy in the southwest corner of Ohio. But here's what I do. First thing on my checklist is you need to greet. Now, whether you're a front desk or therapist, either one of these, it's the same, right? You need to greet and be friendly to every person that enters the clinic, whether it's your patient or it's someone else's patient. You always got to be going, look at you, those cool cowboy boots. High five, cowboy. When you're a therapist, you need to be so friendly in the treatment areas, in the halls, in the waiting room. You see somebody riding a bike and they're not your patient, go, good job. What's your name? Tiffany, you're doing amazing. High five. So you're seen as this friendly parent that loves her job. When it comes time to reschedule, they'll go, that friendly therapist that talks to everybody. Oh my gosh, she's so bubbly. Yeah. Oh, it's her. Oh gosh, for sure. My kid would love to see her. It's like just PRing yourself as loving what you do. So I don't care if you're a front desk person and you are greeting every parent, the plumber when they come in, you make everyone feel very important. It's that patient experience. And you got to drive that home to your team. That is how you fill schedules. That's how you get reschedules. That's how you get patients to add a discipline. That's how you get them to add a sibling, is because the patient experience is so amazing. You smile all the time. All the time. Your cheeks need to be hurting like your wedding day when you leave work every day. And you have to always bring the smile, right? You want to keep the waiting room clean, the bathrooms clean, the windows clean. The front desk windows should not be cluttered with all your signs. Copay required at the time of appointment can be next to the front desk window on the wall, but the front desk windows should be clear and open, welcoming. Go take a look in your waiting room and your front desk windows. Waiting room clean, bathrooms clean, windows clean. Look at people's reviews. It's like the first reviews. It's not patient care. It's literally the place was dirty. Make sure the first impression is there.